Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best socket organizer that you should buy. Let's get started. To start off with is the Olsa Tools Socket Organizer. The 3 socket organizers from Olsa Tools are made up of durable aluminium and beautiful finish. The entire construction is very precise and solid. The included pins are solid and they glide smoothly. The best thing is that they can go on either sides of the rails. One admirable aspect is the versatility of the rails. All the pins hold the sockets firmly and they are easy to detach. Taking a look at the main features, each organizer comes in 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch and a 1/4 inch drive set. The included 1/2, 3/8 and 1/4 inch drive socket holders are important for the neat organization of sockets on socket rail. Second up is the Thorby Socket Organizer. In these socket storage trays, the deep and shallow socket holders are included for toolboxes. They help you eliminate toolbox clutter and save time for finding a required socket. It is an all-inclusive socket tray set, specially designed for keeping sockets organized. You can conveniently find the required socket instantly. The size accommodates 3-piece set of a 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch drive sockets. The durable ABS construction offers durability. This ABS material can keep your socket safe from oil and gas. The weight of each of the storage tray is 2.4 pounds. Third in line is the Ernst Manufacturing Socket Organizer. With the help of this 19-inch socket organizer from Ernst, you can neatly organize sockets in a workshop or garage. The structure features a 3-rail tray that can safely hold up to 45 drive sockets. Generally, the socket boss is perfect for storage on the bench, in the drawer or use on the go. It is designed in a compact size to accommodate a huge set of tools with minimum space. The size of this Ernst Socket Boss Socket Organizer is 19 inch. The set contains 15 clips each for a 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch drive sockets. It is durably constructed from hardened plastic. Fourth up is the CASOMAN Screwdriver and Wrench Organizer. When you use this CASOMAN Screwdriver Organizer, you can effortlessly organize and access many different tools. It can organize screwdrivers, extensions, spanners, pliers, ratchets, and other tiny tools. All these tiny tools are held in one place. Being wall-mounted, it can be installed easily. Looking at its size, it can hold a huge amount of different sized wrench or screwdrivers. Moreover, it can hold some small tools. The entire construction is made durable from ABS and steel. The weight is just 2.3 pounds, so it is easy to carry along. Last but not least is the Olsa Tools Socket Organizer. If you are in search of a decent quality magnetic socket organizer tray capable to accommodate both deep and shallow pockets, this product is a good choice. The 3 socket organizers in this set save your valuable time otherwise wasted on searching the appropriate socket. They can work with most types of sockets. Looking at the size, it is made available in the form of 3 pieces set that consists of a 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch drive. They are durably built from high-grade polypropylene material. To offer portability, it just weighs 4.09 pounds. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.